the same is somewhat true of broadcasts or automation. So, and maybe you've heard this before, but curiosity is obviously a great angle.
Mhm.
So like, uh, I have this, I had this series I was writing yesterday. It was about this like weird, like orange from the Mediterranean Sea, like right along the shore of the Mediterranean Sea.
Mhm.
There's this like one unusual sour orange that has this like effect that can actually help people lose weight. And obviously it's combined with a lot of other things, but like that's an example of curiosity. It's like how I use this strange orange to lose 52 pounds. Like people are like, what is that? So then you
Mhm.
kind of talk it up and it's like, the strange orange, this ingredient is allowing people to X, Y, and Z without having to like, do things they don't want to do. And best of all, it's, really quick to use, really easy, whatever it might be for that particular product. Um, and that's kind of the curiosity angle. The same thing works in services, right? So like if you're selling some kind of coaching program, maybe there's some unusual method that you use to make more money, or that some guy may use to go from homeless to like living in a penthouse.
Mhm.
Obviously that's an exaggeration, but the more zero to hero the story is, the better it's going to do. So that's curiosity. That's the first big angle that works. The second one would be emotional stories. So essentially, just taking stories from testimonials, or anybody who might seem zero to hero, or even if your client doesn't have like a big testimonial, you can go on Reddit and literally type in on Google Reddit lost 100 pounds or something, and then somebody will literally tell you their story about how they felt like shit because they were overweight, and then how they did all these things, and they feel amazing.
Mhm.
And you can just kind of talk about the emotion of what it's like to make it a crazy life transformation. um, the next angle is contradiction. So you could send out an email that says like, does this product actually work, question mark.
Mhm.
Or you could take things that people are commonly talking about and debunk those things as to why those are wrong, and then present a new idea that's better. Um, and then the last one, well, not the last one, but the fourth one would be current events. So obviously, there's a lot of things that happened in 2020, not just like worldwide, but niche specific, right? So like if you
Mhm.
trade stocks, like if you sent out an email to a stock trading list that said like why you should avoid GameStop, then maybe
Mhm.
you have like something else you want to pitch them on. So something that like seems good, um, as talked about in the news, and you present like some kind of other angle around that.
Mhm.
And then the last one is like these personalized emails, which is kind of what I showed an example of here, like note from our doctors, or problem with your order, or you could put like RE in front of an email, or FWD for forward. Um, Anything that seems super personal, or like question, something that you would send to a friend, something that you would send to a colleague. So those are like the five types that generally work over and over. So curiosity, emotional stories, contradiction, current events, and personalized emails. So those five right there